Hi, today we are going to talk about importance of English speaking. The video is meant for teachers, students and respected principals. Dear students, if you're watching this video, you need to understand that the spoken English has got unimaginable importance today. So you have to plan out, you have to think that you start speaking in English. Why did English become so important? Today we see English is so important around the world. Many international businesses conduct meeting in English. University teaches courses in English and around the world. Tourists and travelers use English as common language. But how did this English become so important? Well, it goes back to the British Empire, which at its peak covered 25% of the earth's surface. During colonial times, British rulers often obliged people, the countries and the people, those who were talking in English rather than their native language. So English became very important. Let me tell you a few reasons to learn English. Why English is important and why you should start speaking, reading, writing in English. I'll give you some reasons. First is English is a global language. It is the most common language spoken around the world. One out of the five people can speak or understand English. Second reason, your syllabus, your books are in English as you're studying in English medium school. So if you speak in English, you will be able to understand better what your teachers are teaching, what's written in the book. Otherwise, everything is going to go bouncer. So English is so important for your syllabus. Your question papers are also in English and you have to write down in English. When you will be giving competitive examinations, you have to give MCQs. You have to write MCQs, multiple choice questions. And when you write multiple choice questions, at that time, what will happen is, if you are not able to speak in English or you are not able to understand English, then what you need to do is you need to convert that question to Hindi, think in Hindi, and translate back again to English. Find out from the multiple choice question that which answer is correct. It is going to take a long time because the question paper is going to be timed. Let us say it is for 100 minutes. In 100 minutes you have to solve 120 questions. Approximately you are going to get 1 minute per question. And if you waste time in conversion, then probably you won't be able to answer. So you have to start not just talking in English, but to start thinking in English. The next reason, most of the scientific papers are written in English. If you want to do research, if you want to go for higher studies, then you will find most of it are written in English. Today, if you want to watch Hollywood movies, next, or good popular TV shows, international TV shows, then again you require English. Otherwise, you're going to be confined to the native language or watching some local shows. If you want to watch international, you want to think international, then you have, or the media industry is all English now. International media industry, I mean. So you have to start talking in English. Sixth reason, English is the language of internet. If you want to search anything important, then you have to refer to internet. And internet mostly is in English. Half of the content on internet is in English and half of the content is in the world's lot of language. The top high-tech companies are working in English. Next, seventh good reason, traveling is going to be a lot easier with a good knowledge of English. If your English is good, then probably traveling is going to be much more easy. Holidaying anywhere internationally, you have to start speaking in English. Otherwise, you won't have confidence and people might cheat you. Next reason, eighth reason, English is one of the most important language for business. Tomorrow, if you want to do business or you want to even go for a good government job or working in a corporate, English is required. Either you're a business owner or an employee, everybody would demand that you must know how to speak in English. If not in school, where are you going to learn to speak in English? So, in school itself, you have to start speaking in English. Ninth reason that you have to start talking in English is, if you want to go abroad for studies, I've seen many of the students are hesitant to apply for foreign universities because they are not good at English. So right now, if you're in school, teachers, if your students are in school and you want them to excel in life, then you have to ensure that they start talking in English. Because with English, they can study all over the world. With English, next point, 10th point, with English gives you access to multiple cultures of the world. You can watch cultural films, watch literary shows, read the literature of hundreds of the countries in the globe. Not to mention a fact that numerous books are also available in English and translated to English. If there is a Spanish book, very good literature book, that is translated to English. So you have to start talking in English. English can get you a better job. 11th, not just a good college, but even a better job. Science, aviation, computers, diplomacy, tourism, everything requires English. If you want to get a good job in a good multinational company, then you have to start speaking in English. Next point, learning English can help you meet many new people. When you start speaking in English, English is the official language of more than 53 countries. So if you start speaking in English, probably you will be able to meet more people. You can talk to them confidently. In fact, your confidence is going to be superior, you're oozing out. You will be much more happy to talk to people. There are many other reasons. You can figure them out. But you have to start talking in English and you have to start talking right now. I'll just give you some tips that how can you improve your English speaking or language skills. Try to learn 10 new words every day. We are in lockdown. After lockdown, there may be holidays, there may be schooling, regular schooling. Try to learn 10 new words every day. Try to talk to your friends, siblings, relatives, even the family members in English. The friend, those who are going to say, अंग्रेज चले गए, तुम्हें छोड़ गए, और मेरे से हिंदी में बात करो. Tell them that maybe you don't want to excel in life, but I want to excel in life. I have to talk in English. Don't listen to them. Normally what happens is we listen to the negative comments and then we think that okay, दोस्ती निभानी है तो इंग्लिश नहीं बोलनी है. मैं कहता हूं अगर दोस्ती निभानी है तो इंग्लिश बोलनी है. इंग्लिश बोल सकते हो, अपने दोस्त की मदद करो, उसको पीछे मत रहने दो, उसको हैंड होल्ड करो, उसको आगे बढ़ाओ. हेल्प योर फ्रेंड. You can talk to your relatives. You can talk to your siblings. Start talking in English. Watch English news, English movies, English serials. Listen to English songs. Initially, it will be difficult for you to understand. But when you keep on watching, you will be able to understand. Normally, you say, okay, I speak in Hindi or Punjabi. My next question is going to be, how many words of Hindi do you know? You still know about 100, 150, 200 words? Just 200 words of Hindi or Punjabi you know, or any other language. Then why not you learn 100, 200 words of English and start speaking in English? Start reading newspapers, English magazines, novels. Reading can make you a leader. And good books, international books are available in English. They are converted to Hindi as well. But the content changes, the feeling changes. When if some author has written that book in English, then those feelings are there in English. Participate in group discussions. That will give you a lot of confidence. Try to make some notes daily. Start writing your diary in English. Initially, it will be pathetic. See, I'll give you one example. आपने बचपन में साइकिल चलानी सीखी होगी. आप साइकिल चलाते चलाते क्या पहली बार में सीख गए थे? नहीं, आप गिरे थे. क्या आपने गिरने पे साइकिल चलाना बंद कर दिया था? नहीं, आपने कोशिश की थी. आपने लगातार कोशिश की थी और फिर आप साइकिल चलाना सीख गए थे. इनिशियली इट विल बी डिफिकल्ट फॉर यू टू टॉक इन इंग्लिश, बट कीप ट्राइंग. डोंट बी हेजिटेंट. सब एक से हैं. You start speaking in English, world will follow you. You will learn how to speak in English. Trust me. Have that confidence inside you. If you're a student, teachers, if you are watching this video, please ensure 100% of your students are talking in English. Their life is going to be better. Always they will say, this teacher who made me speak in English has made my life. Practice grammar. Practice in front of mirror. If you're not able to speak in front of anyone, start speaking in front of mirror. At least for 5 minutes. Some simple words, some simple lines, some simple sentences. Start speaking in front of mirror. Write stories. Start thinking in English. Start fighting in English, in fact, I will say. The day you start fighting with your friends in English, your English is better. You have started thinking in English. So always try to talk in English. Make friends, those who can talk in English. Make friends those who are going to talk in English. Don't make friends those who are going to talk in Hindi. Because the students those who are going to talk in Hindi are they're not hand-holding you to come up. Be selfish to yourself sometimes. Make friends those who are going to talk in English. Don't feel shy while speaking in English. शर्माओ मत इंग्लिश बोलते हुए. Nobody is perfect. One can learn only by speaking. Nobody is perfect. Don't think that anybody is perfect in English. Nobody is perfect. Even you are not perfect. So keep on practicing, keep on trying. You will be able to talk in English. Some tips for the principals. How to review. Make teams. Those who are watching, teachers as well as students, and see if they're talking in Hindi. They must be reported to you. You talk to the teams on the principal's handbook review day. Give students remarks on Hindi speaking. Give teachers remarks on Hindi speaking. Put them, note them, put them into remark list. Discuss with all the teachers on review day, and as the principal's task would suggest. Also review the TOD reports. In TOD reports, teachers on duty report, if the teachers have mentioned that this teacher was talking in English in class while teaching, or this student was roaming around and talking in Hindi, or teacher was talking in Hindi, do talk to those teachers. It is very important. Talk to those students on the review day. Some students are not going to speak in English, or they are hesitant, or they are shy, or those who are very weak. Have extra classes for them during assembly time. Organize special classes for the students, those who are not able to speak in English during assembly time, and within a week they are going to pick up like this. So principals, you have to try a little bit extra. When your students are going to talk in English, they're going to talk in English while they are out of the school, and your school brand is going to get better. People are going to talk good about your school principals. So please ensure your students are talking in English. If you want to observe the culture of your school, go near the canteen area. Go near the transport area. You will find students talking in an easy language. And there you can catch the culture, and then you can counsel the students in the morning assembly. And the ones you are going to catch, those who are going to be weak, ask them to speak a news or a speech in morning assembly. So reviewing can be every day, but when principal's handbook suggests on that particular day, at least go and catch near the canteen and transport area and make them speak in morning assembly. You find some students, those who are in, if you review a class, you find some students in the class, those who can speak in English, and the students, those who cannot speak in English. Make them sit together. Make them sit together and talk to the students, those who can speak in English. Take a meeting of them. Just please help the students, those who cannot talk in English. Handhold them. Uplift them. Request the students that you can help your friends to be better, because your examinations are going to be in English. Your teachers are going to be teaching in English. Your books are in English. Internationally, English is a well accepted language where it is required. I've already told the reasons. So those students can help the students, those who are not able to talk in English. Have English plays in your school. Principals and teachers must always, principal cannot speak a single word in Hindi for whatsoever reason. Ensure that your teachers and principal and everybody in the school are talking in English. Very important it is. Students, if you watch this video, I'm sure you might have understood the importance of English speaking. Please speak in English. Teachers, if you're watching, please ensure your students are talking in English. Then only you can uplift them in academics. Because if they don't talk in English, how can you uplift them in academics? Coming to the principal, it is your duty to ensure that each and every teacher and students are talking in English. I'm sure you might have found this video helpful. If yes, then talk in English. Do subscribe the channel. We'll keep on posting some good videos. I'm sure you're going to like them. Thank you. Have a great day.